Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the song, someone's song, on Triller. For instance, a song that you see someone using in their video, how to use it on Triller. First, let's open the app. Then right there where you see the music sign, you're going to select it. Then you'll see the option to use song. Simply select that. And it takes a few seconds for it to load up. Let's give it a while. Give it a while to load. Alright, and after it's loaded, you can see right there, you get the option to record your video now. And then you can also select the length of the song that you would like to use, how long, and also where you would like to start using the song, from which part of the song would you like to use. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.